How to log in Realme account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Type in id.realme.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official login interface of Realme. You can log in with your email, phone or Google. Tap on the option of your choice. I'm going to enter my email address. Tap on the option Get Code that you can see on the screen. Now a code will be sent to your email. Open the Gmail on your device. Find the email sent by Realme and tap on it. In this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the browser. Enter the code over here. If you want to continue with password, you can tap on the option Continue with password and enter the password. Tap on the option Sign in that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Agree and continue. Once you do that, you'll be logged in to your Realme account. Like this, you can log in Realme account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.